Excuse you. Here comes the barrels. Bye, Paige.
1, 2, 3.
My heel's broken. Look at this. Oh, I forgot to stop the video.
Put one up and then put it back down? What? How about this vertical over here?
Make the barrels higher.
We're going to find something easy that I can put up for her and then put back down.
Mandy, you're in the video. Whee! Olivia! Good.